Hi there, and welcome to Learn Beaver Builder. In this video, we're going to take our very first look at Beaver Builder. If you're brand new to the plugin, don't worry. This walkthrough will help you get comfortable with the interface and show you how to get started building pages quickly and easily. First, make sure you're logged into your WordPress dashboard. To start editing a page with Beaver Builder, navigate to the page you want to work on, then click Beaver Builder in the WordPress admin bar at the top of the screen. This will open the Beaver Builder editor. You'll know you're in editing mode when the top bar changes, and you see a blue outline appear around sections on the page. Let's start by getting familiar with the Beaver Builder interface. In the top bar, you'll find three main controls: Done, Tools, and the plus icon. Let's go over what each one does. The Done button in the top right corner is how you save your work. When you click it, you'll see three options: Discard, Save Draft, and Publish. Use this to apply your changes once you're happy with your layout. Now let's take a look at the Tools menu. This is where you'll find a variety of helpful options while working in Beaver Builder. Let's quickly go through what's available. At the top of the list, you'll see Publish Layout, to push your changes live. Save Template, to save the current layout as a reusable template. Duplicate Layout, to create a full copy of the current page. Preview Layout, to view your design outside of the Builder interface. Next is Responsive Editing. This allows you to preview and adjust your layout for desktop, tablet, and mobile views. Below that are Revisions and History. Revisions let you restore a previous saved version of your layout, while the History panel shows a list of recent changes. This is useful if you need to undo or step back through edits. Then we have Layout CSS and JavaScript, a space to add custom code directly to the current page. You'll also find Global Settings and Global Styles, which let you control site-wide layout defaults and theme settings. If you're using Beaver Themer, you'll also see access to Themer layouts here too. Further down, you'll find options for switching between light and dark mode, accessing the media library, jumping back to the WordPress admin area, viewing help resources, what's new, and the full list of keyboard shortcuts. Moving across the top menu bar, you'll also see an option called Outline. This opens the structure view of your layout. From here, you can view and manage every row, column, and module on the page. It's a fast and easy way to open settings, duplicate, or delete any element without needing to scroll around in the live preview. Next, click the plus icon on the right to open the content panel. This is where you'll find all your building blocks. Let's take a closer look at that. The content panel has four tabs: Modules, Rows, Templates, and Saved. Under Modules, you'll find all the different types of content you can add, like text blocks, headings, buttons, photos, and more. Each one is a drag and drop element. Simply drag a module into your layout where you want it to appear. The Rows tab lets you add layout structures, like 1, 2, or 3 column sections, but these rows act as containers for your content. The Templates tab contains pre-built layouts you can use as a starting point, and the Saved tab holds any custom modules, rows, or templates you've saved for reuse. Once you place something into the layout, hover over it to bring up the module toolbar, click the wrench icon to open settings. Click the duplicate or delete icons to quickly copy or remove that element. Each module has its own settings, usually grouped into General, Style, and Advanced tabs. If you'd like a closer look at those settings, we've created dedicated videos covering the Style and Advanced tabs in more detail. As you build your layout, you'll see blue outlines for modules and grey outlines for rows. You can drag modules into place, insert new columns, and rearrange rows easily using the handles. When you're ready to check how things look on smaller screens, use the responsive editing option from the Tools menu. And finally, once you're happy with your layout, click Done, then choose Save Draft or Publish. And that's it. You're now ready to start building with Beaver Builder. In the rest of our series, we'll walk you through each module one by one, so be sure to check those out when you're ready to go further.
Thanks for watching. And don't forget to check out our other videos for more helpful tutorials. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. We read every comment and try to answer any questions you have. If you found this video useful, give us a like and consider subscribing. It really helps grow the channel. Please also consider sharing, as we really want to help the Beaver Builder community. For more hints and tips, visit learnbeaverbuilder.com, and we'll see you in the next one.